Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the local backup so you don't overwrite good data with corrupt files. Check the checksum or file size. Make sure the target disk is mounted and has at least the backup size free. Once done, close non-essential apps and disable automatic sync to prevent conflicts. Launch your restore utility in verify or dry run mode first to preview changes. This first actionable pass protects file permissions and timestamps while giving you a safe plan to proceed with the actual restore. Now execute the restore with intent. Choose the exact path and map user and group ownership so permissions remain correct. If your backup supports incremental restores, apply them oldest to newest to reconstruct state efficiently. Watch disk I/O and CPU if you see bottlenecks, throttle threads, or lower concurrent jobs. Once file transfer starts, tail the tool's logs for errors and checksum mismatches. Make sure to preserve modification times and avoid renaming until verification finishes to keep applications intact. Finish by verifying checksums and comparing file counts against the backup manifest. Check critical configuration files and permissions. Re-enable services and run key functional tests so you can confirm application behavior, login, read/write, and schedule jobs. If something fails, consult the restore logs for specific file errors, attempt a subset restore for problematic data, or roll back to the pre-restore snapshot if available. One key tip: if you hit permission issues, reapply ownership and ACLs before blaming file corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.